This 55 Chevy Bel Air is loaded like a baked potato from Chili's. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a classic 55 Chevy. This is the signature colors, gypsy red, shoreline beige. It has about 7,300 miles on it since it's been done. Car looks like it was done yesterday. All along the bottom here, smooth, no rust, no damage. Shuts real nice. Practically speaking, the paint's gorgeous. The center bumper guard, this big bumper guard. Then the outer bumper guards, that's optional. T3 headlights, it's the correct headlight. This trim right here is an option. The stone shield's an option. Rocker moldings are an option. Dual spotlights, these are nice spotlights. They have the mirror on the back, the handles inside. As the door handle guard, that's an option. And all this stuff is shiny and straight. Fender skirts with the stone shields, that's two more options. It has the bumper guards out here. It has reverse lights. It has stainless tips on the dual exhaust. It has a Continental kit. Trim around the fuel door, that's an option. White wall tires, matching painted rim, correct hubcaps in real nice shape. The white paint's real nice with the Chevy bow ties. Firestone white walls. The rim's painted nice. It has a tinted windshield. That would actually be another option. Convertible top, you can see on our website, it's in real nice shape. It's a power top. You pull this lever, the tire swings out of the way. So this spare matches the others. It's in great shape. The rim is painted. The whole jack assembly is here. The inside of the trunk compartment is clean. The door jambs look nice. Weather strips are still real good. The interior's all been replaced. Now this has the Autronic eye. This dims the headlights when it sees oncoming cars. It has a Wonder Bar radio. Here's called the viewfinder. You look clock is optional. Reproduction mats, that's optional. This is a Chevrolet tissue dispenser. Light works in here. You got an owner's manual. And then this button here, you got an Ooga horn. Someone's added seat belts front and back for everybody. The upholstery is all very good shape. It's not wrinkled. It's nice and tight. Back here, the armrest. Steering wheel looks brand new. That's beautiful. Visors are redone. The mirror looks nice. Yeah, the interior is in very good shape. So this is the 265 Power Pack engine. It is a correct dated motor. It's the V8. It has the 4-barrel carburetor, all stock. Optional oil filter. It has the proper distributor. Heat riser tube going down to the exhaust manifold. This is a Delco battery topper. Front of the motor is an electric fan, the dual horns, so it has the optional windshield washers. Did upgrade it with a modern electric wiper system. And just to clarify, this is included with the purchase of this car. So the underneath of the car is solid. All the suspension, steering was redone at the time of restoration. The shocks look new, the dual exhaust looks new, and it has glass pack style mufflers. The fuel tank's been replaced. So everything under the car looks clean and proper and has been inspected. Thanks for watching.